The storm scared me. Don't worry, it's alright. Everybody's afraid of something at some times, but sometimes things that are scary are nothing to be afraid of. You're right, Barney. That storm wouldn't be so bad if all the raindrops are gumdrops.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Come on.
If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide.
If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be.
Here we go.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide.